Happy and fantastic day, dear children. I welcome you all to the English Corner. Children, chapter 7, poem, right? That is what we are going to see. The title of the poem is Dad and the Cat and the Tree. What is the title, dear? Dad and the Cat and the Tree, right? Shall we move into the poem? Right. Before going into the poem, there are some questions to be asked. Have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? Have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? Yes, I have seen. Did you? So, share it with me. Sometimes a cat may climb too high and get stuck in a tree. The poor thing can't come down without any help. Right? How would you help it? Surely not like Dad in this poem. Right? Is Dad a good climber? What were his plans? So all that we are going to see in this poem. Right? So the poem starts now. This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." So what happens one fine morning? A cat got stuck in a tree. In our tree, in the sense, a tree in our home. Dad said, "Just leave it to me. I will take care of everything." Can you able to see? This is what his dad and mom. Okay, small kid is there. So mother is saying almost, "No need to rescue that cat. It is dangerous." But dad is saying, "I'm going to rescue the cat." This is plan A. Okay, assume that is plan A. How many plans are there? Plans are there from A to Z. Okay, plan A fails, then plan B. Plan B fails, plan C. It goes on till Z, till we get success. Right? This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." So, do you think the cat will be safe and the father will also be safe? Let us see. The tree was wobbly. Wobbly means unsteady. The tree was tall. Mom said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." So every mother will have the same fear. So please don't fall from the tree. It is very tall and wobbly. It is unsteady. It is not so strong. Right? So the tree was wobbly. The tree was tall. Mom said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." So here in this clipping, "Oh wow, this is a child's play. You look overconfident. Fall a climber like me." Okay, for goodness sake, don't fall. So again, dad is climbing in the ladder. Let us see the next paragraph. What he's doing. "Fall?" scoffed dad. "A climber like me? It's a child's play, this is. You wait and see." Right? What dad is saying? Fall. Scoffed dad. "A climber like me." Climber is a good climber. He is saying that he is a good climber, not anybody else. "A climber like me, child's play." Child's play means it is very, very easy. That is what he said. You wait and watch. Okay, wait and see. See here. Oh wow, this is a child's play. Fall a climber like me? So, a climber like me, do you think we will fall? Never. So, mom is saying you look overconfident, and sigh. Sigh is a deep breath taken by mom. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So what happened? He is climbing here. This is the first picture. He is climbing through a ladder. He is climbing up, right? Then what happened? He got out the ladder from the garden shed, it slipped. The ladder slipped. He landed in a flower bed, so he fell down. Right? Never mind, said Dad. Immediately, he stood up. He said, never mind. Brushing the dirt from his hair, his face, and his shirts, trousers, everything, he is brushing the dirts, removing the dirt from his hair, face, and trousers and shirt. Right? So we'll try plan B. Now, what happens? They are going to plan B. It stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall again. Okay. So we'll try plan B. Dad said, we will try plan B. Stand out of the way. Move away from my way. And again, mom is saying, don't fall again. Okay. So what happens next? Fall again? Said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. Can you able to see here? I should have known climbing a branch was dangerous. That is what mom was thinking. So how Dad was there in the floor, you see that? And the branch of a tree is there. So branch of a tree had broken. What happens? Dad landed back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. So Dad landed. Wallop is a sad thing. Back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you'll break your neck. So he said, I should have known. Okay, I'm fine. Let's try plan C. Now also he is not at all worried about himself. Okay, he wants to do the task in a proper manner. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we will try plan C. Easy as winking. Winking is closing our eyes and once again, right? Closing and opening. That is what a winking. Automatically our eyes are winking. Easy as winking to a climber like me. So he doesn't forget and forgive that. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we will try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me. Then he climbed up on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Thank God he didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. So near the cat. He gave a great leap. He jumped and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. Here only cat was standing. Now what happened? Can you able to see the cat here? So what cat is doing? Cat is jumping out, right? So the cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground. Pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. The cat gave a yell. Yell is a sound. Shouting sound. And sprang. Spring is a present tense. Sprang is past tense. Sprang to the ground. Pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. Now the cat is very safe. Okay. In the ground. Not on the tree. It came down to the ground. So it's smiling and smirking. Smug as can be. So smiling and smirking. So it was very comfortable. Who was very comfortable? Cat was very comfortable. Smug as can be. But poor old Dad. What happened to the Dad? Haha, it's priceless. Look at how the cat and dog have exchanged their position. So what happened to the dad? Stuck up in the tree. See, here the cat was in the ground, dad was on the tree. So they exchanged their position. This poem was written by Kit Wright. Okay. So Kit Wright, about Kit Wright, he is the author of this poem. He is author of more than 25 books for both adults as well as children, and the winner of awards including an Arts Council Writers Award, the Geoffrey Faber Memorial Prize, the Hawthornden Prize, the Alice Hunt Bartlett Prize, and the Heinemann Prize. All these are the awards he won. He was born on 17th June 1944. So at the age of 76 years, he was died. Crockham Hill, United Kingdom. That is the place where he was born. He was known for the poet and the children's author. He got more awards that we saw. He did his education in Berkhamsted Boys' School, University of Oxford. So now glossary, it's a word wall. Wobbly is unsteady. For goodness sake, an exclamation expressing protest. Scoffed is laughed mockingly. Child's play, very easy to do. Landed wallop, fell heavily. Pleased a sponge, very pleased. Safe and sound, it is unhurt. Right, very safely the cat landed down, right? So safe and sound is unhurt. Again, the glossary, dear children, wobbly is unsteady. For goodness sake, an exclamation expressing protest. Scoffed is laughed mockingly. Child's play, very easy to do. Landed wallop, fell heavily. Pleased as punch, very pleased. Safe and sound, unhurt. Right? I hope you're clear with the poem. We'll see the summary also, and we'll finish this session, and we'll have a recap and the question answers in the next session. Yeah. Dad and cat and tree. Summary. Right? One morning, a cat got stuck in the tree. The narrator's dad decided that he will easily be able to take care of it. Narrator's father decided to climb the tree. His wife warned him that he might fall, but ignoring her warnings, he climbed the ladder, slipped and fell. Having fallen once, he thought of trying again another way. Yet again ignoring his wife's warnings, he swung himself up on the tree, on the branch of a tree. The branch broke and again he fell. Not giving up still, the father climbed up the garden wall. Luckily, this time he did not fall. However, the moment he sprang onto the tree, the cat jumped to the ground, safe and sound. Poor father, on the other hand, got stuck in a tree. So he cannot come down. Right? That is it. The poem is over. So here we have working with the poem, that is question answer. Nearly 8 questions are there. Right? Why was dad sure he wouldn't fall? Children, can you guess the answer? Which phrase in the poem expresses dad? Which phrase in the poem expresses dad? Self-confidence best. So what is plan A? What is plan B? What is plan C? All 3 I need. The cat was very happy to be on the ground. So which phrase expresses this? Then from the beginning to the end of the poem, what is a cat situation? All these you have to explain. Okay. When the dad said fall, never mind, funny joke, rubbish. Thank you, dear children. We'll see in the